Guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to look at solving a quadratic equation by the method of completing the square. First, we need to ensure that our quadratic equation is written in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c. After we have ensured that our equation is in the form ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we are now going to group our ax squared term and our bx term. And in that case, it would be 3x squared plus 10x minus 8 is equal to 0. Next, we're going to ensure that our x squared coefficient is equal to 1. And we have 3 here. So in order for it to be 1, we're going to have to factor out 3. So we factor out 3, we're left with what? X squared plus 10 over 3x close bracket minus 8 is equal to 0. Next, we're going to manipulate the expression in the bracket by saying x squared plus 10 over 3x. Then we're going to add half of the middle term, which is half of 10 over 3 square, close bracket, minus 8. And because we added that, we're going to have to subtract it. And the 10, half times 10 over 3 is being multiplied by 3. So we're going to have to subtract 3 times half times 10 over 3 squared. So we're taking it back out after adding it. All right, so now we're going to have, let's clean up. We have a lot of things going on here, so let's clean up some of it. So now we're going to have 3, and we'll have x squared plus 10 over 3x plus, and let's work out our bracket now. We're going to have half times 10 over 3, that gives us 5 over 3 square minus 8 minus 3 times 5 over 3 square. Let's clean it up a little bit more. I keep forgetting to put my equal to 0, equal to 0. Now, we're going to group the terms that have squares. So we have 3 times x plus 5 over 3 square minus 8 minus, and we're going to have what? 5, 5, 25, and then 3, 3 is 9, and then 3 into 9, so we're going to have 25 over 3, which gives us minus 8 minus 25 over 3, which gives us negative 49 over 3. So now we have 3, open bracket, x plus 5 over 3 square minus 49 over 3 is equal to 0. Now, from here, we're going to transpose for x, or we're going to make x the subject of the formula. So how do we do that? We realize that we have 49 over 3 being subtracted here. So in order to balance the equation, we're going to do what? Add 49 over 3 to both sides. So now we have 3x plus 5 over 3 square will be equal to 49 over 3. Next step, we want to get rid of this 3 or simplify this 3. So we're going to multiply both sides by 1/3. Sorry, I wrote a half. Where did that come from? So we're going to multiply both sides by 1/3. So now we have 1/3 times 3 gives us 1. So next we have x plus 5 over 3 square is equal to 49 over 9. Now we want to get rid of the square, so we know that square root cancels square. So we're going to take the square root of both sides. Now we know that whenever we take our square root, we're going to have a plus and minus answer. So the square root of 49 is going to give me 7, and the square root of 9 is 3. And the square root cancels the square, so now we're left with x plus 5 over 3. So now we're left to find x still being bothered by this 5 over 3, so we're going to subtract 5 over 3 from both sides. So x is now equal to negative 5 over 3 plus and minus 7 over 3. So we have x is equal to negative 5 over 3 plus 7 over 3 and negative 5 over 3 minus 7 over 3. So let's go ahead and please bear with my lovely handwriting. So we have negative 5 plus 7, which gives us positive 2/3. And we have negative 5 and negative 7, which gives us negative 12. And negative 12 divided by positive 3 will give us negative 4. So therefore, x is equal to 2/3 and negative 4.